Ever wondered how some of the most popular websites, apps, or even AI systems come to life? Well, they all have one thing in common: Python. Python is a programming language, but don't let that scare you off. It's not like the cryptic code you see in the movies. Python is famous for being user friendly and easy to learn, even for beginners. It's like a universal translator for computers, letting you give them instructions in a language that's almost as easy to read as English. So, what makes Python so special? First, it's incredibly versatile. Whether you're building websites, analyzing data, or even creating artificial intelligence, Python is your go to tool. Its popularity also comes from its massive community, meaning there are endless tutorials, libraries, and resources available to help you along the way. Now, you might be asking, but how does it actually work? It's all about the power of simplicity. Python has a clean and easy to understand syntax, which means the commands you write are close to natural language. This makes writing code quicker and more intuitive compared to other programming languages. But wait, there's more. Python isn't just for tech geniuses. It's used by major companies like Google, Instagram, and NASA. It powers things like search engines, social media feeds, and even self-driving cars. And if that's not cool enough, it's also one of the top languages for beginners looking to get into programming. So, whether you're looking to automate tasks, dive into data analysis, or explore the world of AI, Python is the language that can take you there. Comment for topics you want us to cover. Subscribe to keep learning.